This video is sponsored by BuyMote shopping app.
Do you often find yourself trapped in a cycle of overthinking, unable to escape the endless stream of thoughts racing through your mind? In today's video, we delve into the powerful Zen story that offers a solution to overcoming overthinking. Discover the profound impact overthinking can have on your daily life and learn how Zen teachings can guide you towards finding peace and clarity. Stay tuned to uncover the secrets to never overthinking again. Overthinking can take a toll on your mental health, causing anxiety, stress, and indecision that can hinder your ability to make clear choices. Imagine second-guessing every decision you make, constantly worrying about the future, and feeling overwhelmed by the endless possibilities. Real-life examples show how overthinking can paralyze individuals, preventing them from moving forward and achieving their goals. Break free from this cycle to experience personal growth and inner peace. Zen philosophy emphasizes living in the present moment and releasing attachments to achieve true mindfulness. By embracing core tenets such as simplicity, acceptance, and non-judgment, individuals can experience a profound shift in their perspective and approach to life. Through anecdotes and stories, witness the transformative power of Zen teachings in helping individuals find inner peace and clarity amidst the chaos of everyday life. Join us on a journey to explore the beauty of Zen practices and their potential to enrich your life. Ready to break free from the cycle of overthinking and find inner calm? Start by incorporating mindfulness into your daily routine. Stay present and focused by practicing deep breathing, body scans, or mindful walking. These simple techniques can help quiet the mind and reduce overthinking, allowing you to approach life with clarity and intention. Embrace mindfulness as a powerful tool for improving mental well-being, enhancing decision-making, and cultivating a sense of peace in your daily life. Letting go of control and attachments is key to overcoming overthinking and finding peace of mind. By releasing the grip on outcomes and surrendering to the present moment, individuals can experience a sense of freedom and clarity like never before. Practice non-attachment by acknowledging your thoughts without judgment and letting them pass like clouds in the sky. Embrace the power of letting go to break free from overthinking tendencies and live with a renewed sense of ease and contentment. Discover the transformative power of Zen practices and mindfulness in cultivating inner peace and mental clarity. Incorporate Zen principles into your daily routine to foster a sense of calm and balance amidst the chaos of modern life. Through self-reflection and introspection, you can reduce overthinking and embrace a more mindful approach to living. Prioritize your inner peace and well-being by letting go of excessive rumination and embracing the beauty of the present moment. In conclusion, the powerful Zen story on overcoming overthinking teaches us valuable lessons in mindfulness, letting go, and cultivating inner peace. By embracing Zen teachings and incorporating them into our daily lives, we can break free from the shackles of overthinking and experience lasting change. Take the first step towards a more mindful and peaceful existence by applying these principles. Subscribe for more content on personal growth and mindfulness to continue your journey towards inner transformation.